So I'm here doing a little drywall repair and installing a mini split at the cottage. And this used to be a big open window area here, and it's been closed in and some additions been put on. And so anyway, we're drywalling it in. And as you can see, it's a little dark in here. There's LED lights for the top, and they're 12 volt. And there's 120 volt down here at the building, but if the power goes out for what it happens a lot down here, there's a backup system that's 12 volt, and all the ceiling lights are 12 volt. So they work great, but they're not good task lighting. And so I'm doing this here, and it's hard to see, you know, first of all, I hate doing drywall. I honest to God, I'd rather eat broken glass. But sanding it is a real pain in the ass. And so a while back, I bought a light. Now, I bought a Milwaukee, but I paid so much money for it. I actually wasn't happy with it because I have a bunch of Milwaukee tools. And I like a lot of Milwaukee stuff, but I didn't like the light. I didn't like the way it aimed. So I bought this Ryobi light, and it tilts forward and back, and the sides go in and out, okay? And this has just got a small battery on it right here now, which is getting low. I hope there's enough in it for this video, but anyway. And so, but this thing was like $50 and it works great. And that's its brightest setting. I can adjust it any way I want. Okay. And then it's got, if you press this button here, little dimmer and little dimmer. And my camera is junk, so it's probably not showing as well as I see with my eye. Now, I like it on the second setting. Works well for me. I can see what I'm doing. This, I've been using it for a year and a half, right? Okay. It's very portable. It doesn't tip over easily. This is a 1.5 amp hour battery. If you get a 4 or 5 in it, it lasts a long time, but even this one lasts pretty good. It works well. It aims well. It doesn't cause a lot of shadows. I mean, unless you're standing right in front of it like any other light. And it doesn't get hot. It gets slightly warm, but it doesn't get hot. And it works real well. I've knocked it off a lot of stuff. It's very tough. And I mean, we all make jokes about Ryobi, but this is one Ryobi thing that actually works. So if you want to save some dollars and you've got Ryobi batteries already, because I know for a lot of you guys, same as me, it comes down to what batteries you have. And so this is the hybrid 18 volt, okay, Ryobi. This thing just does what it's supposed to do. It works well, it's portable, and it's got great light. And you can buy 3 or 4 of them for the price of one Milwaukee, and it gives just as good a light, if not better. So if you got a couple of Ryobi batteries, and you need a light, you know, actually I think it's a little bit more now. I got it on sale, and this is in Canada, so I think it's like $75 Canadian now, or $80. But anyway, should check that because since COVID, everything is doubling in price. But it was affordable, and so yeah, it works real well. And the model number is right there, and especially if you already have the batteries for it, because this came without the battery, it was a tool only, you'll be real happy. I've got a couple of other lights and some old halogen ones that get hot as hell, you know, on the stands. And this is my go-to. It works great. It gives good task lighting. I can see what I'm doing. You know, I'm in my mid 50s, and the eyes are not what they used to be. And this just makes it a lot easier. It works well. So anyway, I hope that helps.